skit to shed light on the importance of teachers and subsequently show the role of the life of a student. In this skit, we will be demonstrating the dynamics between their relationship. Let me introduce the characters playing in this skit. May I call upon Mr. Said Fawzan, who will be playing the lead role. He will be playing the role of an EVS teacher. Mr. Said Zishan Haidar, role of an ill-managed student. May I call Sayed Sara. She will be playing the wife of the teacher. May I call Afroz Begum, who will be playing the role of the daughter of the teacher. Mr. Muhammad Umar will be playing the role of the younger sibling of the student. And myself, Saif Rahman, will be narrating the skit. Scene 1. Teacher enters his classroom.
Good morning, students. Please have a seat. In the ozone layer. The ozone layer protects the Earth from harmful radiation, sun's radiation. Now, if we minimize the use of refrigerators, which produces one of the harmful component, which is CFC. My dear Mother, can you tell me what the full form of CFC?
Is wake up in the morning, compressed natural sugar.
I asked CFC, not CNG. Now, it's chlorofluorocarbons. Now, this chlorofluorocarbons is the main compound that's been produced by the refrigerators. Now, I don't suggest to stop using refrigerators, but I suggest you to minimize the use of refrigerators by using mud pots for cool water, or you can use plastic wraps for foods or vegetables. Mr. Mazhar, why are you talking?
Sir, I wasn't talking.
Don't lie to me. I saw you talking. If you have anything important to say, please come over there.
Sir, I wasn't talking, sir. Anyway, what you are teaching is too boring. Sir, you are asking us not to use the refrigerators. I mean, that's not possible. It's so hot out there.
You are not listening. I said minimize the use of refrigerators, not stop it.
Sir, if you want to minimize the use of refrigerators, why did you even invent it?
The student continues to argue with the teacher, and yet the teacher never loses his patience. The bell rings, the students get up and leave the class, and on their way, they make fun of the teacher who says nothing. He is tired, his head is aching from today's events, and to his utter dismay, his wife is furious.
बच्चों को होमवर्क देना था, घर का काम करने था। आज
He sees that at his home his mother is sick and asks him to teach his younger sibling.
होशियार है आपको घर क्या पढ़ाना है बोल
जैसा आपको ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटी के टॉपर है।
अच्छा जानते तेरे को आता तू बोल व्हाट इज द sum of all the angles in the triangle?
The younger sibling continues to irritate his elder brother. He loses his patience and slaps his younger brother and leaves the room in fury. Though he mocked and ridiculed his teacher, the student not even for one moment lost his patience. And he did exactly the opposite. With his young brother, he lost his patience and even slapped him. He realizes his mistakes, he calls his friends and makes an arrangement. Scene 4. On the very next day of college, the sir enters the class. His face is beaming and the students feel amazed. by his reaction as if nothing happened the other day. They come up to him and apologize for their rude behavior.
Sir, yesterday I was not late and I was really rude, but then you didn't kick me out of the class.
Son, if I had been strict with you, if I had been violent with you, you might have turned in the same manner. You might have also do the same thing to your sons, to your brothers. That's why I approached the friendly to you, so that I know that after your childhood, you will become a father and a son, and you will be a brother. That's why I took this approach. After your parents, it's my responsibility to harness your skills to make you a learned and educated individual.
The student is emotionally moved and warmly embraces his professor. I end this skit with a quote. 100 years from now, it doesn't matter what car I drive. It doesn't matter what house I live in. It doesn't matter what money I have in my bag. But the world may be a better place because I made a difference in a child. We thank our teachers and salute their endeavors in enlightening us. We therefore tribute and dedicate this skit to all of our teachers. Thank you.